friend of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Firstly, just go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now choose additional settings, go into languages and input, manage keyboards and Gboard. From here, click on theme, scroll down and click on show more. This way you will see all the available ones. When you're ready, just click on the best one for you. I will go with maybe this blue one. Click on this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on and tap apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up, and this time select this plus icon under my themes instead. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then choose next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on done, manage keyboarders and choose apply. As you can see, this time when I go back, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!